Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I'm working in my family binder with $60 in prop money. So let's get started. First, we are going to the Adventures binder envelope. And I got this saving challenge from Mint Dough. And this is $1,200 saving for an adventure. And let me get my D12. All right, so I'm rolling a D12 to see how much we're saving. And we got 6. Do we have a 6? Yes, we have one right here. So we are going to put $6 in, 5 and 6, and we'll come back here if we can. All right. Next we have for my daughter, and this is created with by Budget with Carly. Say $60. So let's do this one. That is 5. Should I do another one? No, we're just going to keep moving. $5. And gems, I promise, as soon as I press record, I'm looking out the window. Why is a tree service company on the side of my house cutting down my neighbor's tree or trimming her tree or something? Like, why? I'm trying to record, so I apologize if you guys can hear anything in the background, but I'll try to make it where you guys can hear what's going on because it's very loud. All right, this is created by Budget with Carly, and this is for my son. This is say 25 plus because it's a scratch, roll, and save. So I'm just going to scratch one. Let's do this one, and that's 5, so that's perfect. So $5. I'm like, really? Why you guys gotta start? All right, next is savings for myself, and this is created by Budget with Tiffany 26. Say $70, and let's do this one. Ooh, that's a 9. All right, $9. Got $1? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna put this $1 here and grab this 10. All right, next is for my husband. And this is created by Becca Budget 777. This is 45 plus. So let's help these scared pumpkins. And let's go here. So that is 6. I'm gonna do another one. Cause this one got a lot of scratches. Or should I? Let me see. What? Let me see. This one got 4. Yeah, let's do one more. So let's do this one. Ooh, 7. So what is that? 13, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12? That's 12? Yeah, that's $12. Okay. Had to use the fingers, had to burn the fingers out. So $12. All right. Next is Home Sweet Home. And this is created by Mystic Budgets 91 plus. The scratches are 8s and 5s, and this is a roll and save for the grocery bag. So let's do one of each. Let's do this one. Okay, we got some 5s today. So 5 and we're not gonna roll that D12. Let's do D6. 2. So $7. Now I'm gonna roll again. 7. Ooh, girl, another 5. How did I know I was gonna get another 5? So that's $10, $12. So $12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Let's count that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12. All right. Next is emergency. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand how loud it is. I'm so annoyed right now. Oh my gosh. So this is created by Snow Gardener 307, and this is for emergencies. Ooh, we got 2 scratches left. Let's do this one. Ooh, that's a 4. Oh, do I want to finish? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got 7. Let's go ahead. Okay, $3. All right, hold on. Let me move that out the way. So let's add the $3. 1, 2, and 3, and got what? $4 left. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this one is $25 with a bonus. So let's see how much did we say total. Let me make sure I scratch off everything because I'm known for getting a scratcher too. All right, so we got 20, 25. Okay, that's the 25. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Ooh, $34. I am going to put, or no, I'm not going to put, I just marked on myself. I'm just going to put this back in there because I don't want to mark on it because I can use this book again if I want to. So $34 is going towards emergency. And we'll just work on the next page in this, the life of a duck named what? And then we got, what I say, $4? Yes, $4 left. So I'm going to skip the emergency and go back to, I mean, not the emergency, the rainy day, and go back to our adventure. All right. And let's see. What are we going to do? Where's it got a 4? Where is a 4? Right here. So let's do, or let's do 3 and 1 on this. I don't want to skip all the way down there. So let's do 3. And then 1. And that's the $4. Perfect. So that would do 6 and 4, so $10 total. Not too shabby for our adventure. All right, gems. That is it. That is all. $60 put into my family binder. I am so in love with this binder. Love the color of it and everything. All right, gems. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. Oh, and go check out my Etsy. I did release a new saving challenge box. It's called Let's Feast. And it's just a saving challenge. I should have bought it. But it's a saving challenge box just to, you can use it to save for extra groceries, save for holiday dinners, or any family feast. So yeah, go check it out. It's on my Etsy. Yeah, and that's it. So, I was about to say, all right, Jills, remember to stay magical. Bye, Jills.